Hey, is there a lot of mice in here?
And it does not have central heat and air.
What do you mean by an old heater? No central air. What do you say, man?
Other than that, the water pressure to the bathroom is about the only thing that I would know of that would need fixing, and maybe replace the linoleum or something that's coming up there in the kitchen. Yeah, the back porch looks a million times better than what it did when they first bought it, because it was just a sidewall and nothing else really.
Oh, okay.
And they come up here, worked and closed it in and built it and everything. So.
And for water pressure, it may, you maybe just be able to get the county out here and they can
That's the thing.
adjust it. They can adjust
Yeah.
it. This is what I was saying. This is the old heater.
Does it have hot water?
It
Does it work good?
Yeah,
Okay.
we just have to pull this fuse. I just pulled it out a while ago.
Okay.
They want to pull that fuse every time we leave, so. But yeah, the hot water works and.
All the appliances work?
Mm-hmm.
That doesn't have dishwashers.
So it's 2 bedrooms.
2 bedrooms, 1 bath. Kitchen, little living room. And they made, he finished,
Do you know if
they
it's-
didn't make a laundry room.
200 or 100 amp? You said did you know if that's 200 up there?
That's 200 across the road. This is an old fuse system. This is an old fuse system. That doesn't have a dishwasher.
Oh, come on, man. No dishwasher? So that's the heater
That's the heater.
for the whole house?
Yeah.
Okay.
Hey, that thing will run you out of here
Yeah.
in a heartbeat.
What,
It's
so
propane.
everything's down here, the bedrooms?
Yeah, there's a bedroom right here.
It is what it is?
It is what it is. It's built in like 1958 or something like that. It's an old. It's propane.
So everything's down here, the bedrooms?
Yeah, there's a bedroom right here. Here's your bathroom. Floor right there, got a little soft spot in it. And here's another bedroom.
This must be another heater there.
And that's the back porch.
Porch.
Yeah.
Hey, is there a lot of mice in here?
I haven't seen one since I've been staying here.
No?
They didn't have the house last season, but I stayed September a lot, October a lot, and then pretty much the 2 or 3 weeks in a row there in November, somebody was in the house, and I haven't heard one person say anything or complain about anything.
I must wonder if that's the hot water heater.
That is.
Under there.
Yeah. And obviously David is selling this. The seller's selling it. He's as is.
Okay.
He's not. You're welcome to do a home inspection, but
It is what it is.
it is what it is.
Just wanna